warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Desi Nursitiorini, mahasiswa Program Pendidikan Profesi Guru dalam Jabatan Universitas Pakuan Bogor, Program Studi Bahasa Inggris. Pada hari ini melakukan perekaman praktik pembelajaran pada kelas 9 untuk materi Past Continuous Tense. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you all today? Yes. Okay, Alhamdulillah if you're fine, yeah. Before we start our lesson, let's pray together. The leader of the class, Alia, could you please lead your friends to pray? Okay, thank you very much, Alia, for leading the prayer this morning. Okay, before we come to the lesson, would you please type your full name in the chat column? Yeah, I will check your attendance from the chat column. Yeah, so I give you 1 minute to type your name in the Zoom chat. Yeah, in the chat column of the Zoom meeting. Okay, you can keep your camera on. Okay, while waiting for you typing the name, I would like to share screen. Can you see my PowerPoint?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, okay. Okay, yeah, I think finished typing your name in the chat column. Okay, well students, although we only meet through online, ya, meskipun kita cuma belajar lewat online hari ini, I hope you can keep your spirit up to learn, ya, to learn all the subjects. And Miss Desi reminds you to keep your health anytime, especially during this pandemic, yeah, so you can do your activities well because you have a health body. Okay, next, before Miss Desi tell what we are going to learn today, yeah, let's discuss our previous material. Yeah, our last meeting. In the last meeting, we have talked about these sentences. Do you remember? For example, the children are playing in the park. My sister is cooking in the kitchen. I am watching the learning video from the teacher. Do you remember what is our material last meeting? What is it about?
Present continuous tense.
Present continuous tense.
Okay, it is called present continuous tense. Do you remember what is the function of present continuous tense?
To tell ongoing activities.
To tell ongoing activities. Good, yeah. Thank you, Alia, if I'm not mistaken, ya. Nah, today, yeah, Miss Desi will start the lesson by asking you, what are you doing now?
I am
What are you doing now, students?
studying English.
Okay, I will ask to Echa. Echa, what are you doing there?
I'm studying.
Studying, very good. What about Novel? What are you doing, Novel? Yeah.
I I am learning.
Yeah, you are learning, of course. Yeah, you are learning with your friends together. And one more, what about Salma, Alima? What are you doing now, Salma? Do you remember what were you doing in this time yesterday? Nadira Shifa, can you tell me what were you doing yesterday in this time?
Yesterday, Miss,
Yes.
I was studying.
You were studying yesterday at this time of, yeah, same like today, yeah. What about Hanadia? What were you doing at this time yesterday, Hana?
I was watching.
You're watching. What were you watching, Hana? Is that a movie or learning
No.
video? No? What is that?
Watching video from
Watching video from the teacher?
yes.
Yes, okay. And then the next one, Afia. Can you tell me what were you doing yesterday in the same time?
Saya, Miss.
Yes, you. Nur Afia kan? Apa, Vi?
Study.
Studying, yeah. You were also studying, like now, yeah. Okay, thank you for your answer. Thank you for your information, yeah. Nah, this is what we are going to do in this meeting. First, you are going to watch a video, and then we are going to have question and answer about the video. And then the second one, yeah, from the video, I will ask you to analyze the social function, structure, and the features of the tenses that we are going to learn today, yeah. And then at the end of the lesson, you will answer multiple choice questions through Google Form. The next one, you are going to practice, yeah. You will complete a dialogue, yeah, and doing a role play in the Zoom meeting. And then you also will practice to fill in the sentences, yeah. And then in this part, I will assess your characters, yeah, that are activeness, your politeness, and your self-confidence. Ya, karena nanti bentuknya adalah tanya jawab di sini, maka nanti yang akan Miss nilai adalah keaktifan, kesantunan, dan kepercayaan diri kalian. And the last, you will work in pairs to create a dialogue. Ya, and at the end of the lesson, you also will perform the dialogue. Can you understand it?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. All right, these are our learning objectives today, yeah. Miss Desi hopes in this meeting you can first analyze the social function, structure, and language features of the past continuous tense. And the second, you can create a dialogue in pairs, ya, berpasangan. And the third, you can perform the dialogue also in pairs. Yeah, if we still have time, we will perform the dialogue in the Zoom meeting. But if the Zoom meeting has ended, yeah, you will perform the dialogue in the WhatsApp group. Is that clear? Okay. Okay. Any questions for our learning objective? No. Tipa, can you understand our learning objective today? Tifa, is there Tifa here?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, okay.
Yes,
What about Desmita? Can you understand our objective today?
Iya.
Yeah, or yes, yeah, okay. Our material today will be useful for you in your daily life, especially to tell the others about your were happening in the past. Now we move to our first activity. Let's watch the video, ya. When you are watching the video, please remember the sentences in the video, ya. Because after this we will have a question and answer session, ya. Can you listen to the video? Can you listen to the sound?
No,
No?
I cannot
No.
hear.
No?
Enggak, Miss.
Oh, I see. Okay, I will try to send the video to our group, ya. I will give you 2 minutes to watch the video. But do not leave from the Zoom meeting. Okay, I have already sent the video to our WhatsApp group. In 2 minutes, please watch the video and I will call you back after 2 minutes, ya. Nanti setelah 2 menit Miss kasih aba-aba, silakan nyalakan kembali kameranya. Kita akan lanjut membahas tentang isi videonya. Oke. Tetap di sini ya, jangan keluar dulu. While watching the video, you can also write some questions, ya. If you think there are some words or something that you do not understand, you can ask after we watch it. Okay, time for watching the video is up. Have you watched the video? Hello students, can you listen to me? Ya Allah, dari tadi belum aku pasang kok. Okay students, can you listen to me?
Yes,
Yeah.
Miss.
Yeah, okay. There was a problem with my signal. Have you watched the video?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now, you can ask some questions from the video. Who will ask? Who wants to give a question from the video? Okay, if there is no question about the video, I will ask to you, what is the video about?
About lupa. Dana.
Okay, Tipa, we are waiting for your answer.
Itu tentang Nia Madana.
English, please.
About
Nia and Dana. What happened to Nia and Dana?
Dana to Nia house for minjem apa itu? Baru she MacBook. Ya.
Okay.
Begitulah kurang lebih, Miss.
Okay, thank you, Tipa. And then Alia, did you say something, Alia? What happened to Dana?
Itu apa? Menanyakan kegiatan Nia.
Yeah. Yeah. He asked about. Yeah. He asked about.
What are you doing?
Okay, asking about what was. Do you remember what sentence does the persons use to ask about the activities?
What are you doing in the early morning?
What? Can you repeat?
What are you doing in the morning?
What are you doing in the morning? Okay, what are you doing in the morning? And then we will check in the video later, ya. Kita akan cek benar atau tidak. Oke, and then tadi pertanyaan yang what are you doing? Kemudian dijawabnya dengan kalimat apa? Do you remember?
I was
I
I
was
was taking a bath when you come.
taking a bath when you come.
I was taking a bath. Okay, what is the function of the sentence I was taking a bath? Kira-kira kalimat yang I was taking a bath fungsinya apa? Tujuannya apa? Maksudnya
To
apa?
telling Nia activity when Dana comes.
To tell Nia's activities when Dana came. Okay, thank you. Okay, you can watch the video again and please write on your notebook, try to analyze what is the social function of the sentences, what is the structure, and what are the language features of the sentences. I will give you 2 minutes to watch the video once more. Finished? 1 more minute? Okay, time is over. Can one of you please share what is the social function of the sentences? Nadira Shifa, please.
To tell apa yang barusan terjadi yang masa lampau, past tense.
Past tense but yang sedang terjadi. Can you say it in English? To tell.
To tell what it's happening
In the past. Okay, good job Nadira. Thank you. Another person please. For the second question, the text structure. Can you find the text structure? There are 2 kind of sentences in the video. Ada 2 macam ungkapan atau kalimat di dalam video. Yang satu untuk apa, yang satu untuk apa.
Going activity.
Ongoing activities in the
house.
In the house and in the past, ya, yang sudah berlangsung. Dan satu lagi, one more sentence, satu jenis kalimat lagi. Apa coba? Hanifah. To tell, that's good. Echa, you can help your friend also to tell about the
To tell about family activities in this morning.
Okay, very good. To tell about her activities in the morning, ya. That's good. Thank you. Okay, one more topic, ya, about language features. Ciri bahasanya. Who will share to us?
Verb 1, Miss.
Pardon? Can you repeat?
Verb 1.
Okay. The sentences use verb 1. Good. What else? How is the verb?
Adverb of time.
Adverb of time, ya. Can you mention the adverb of time that is used in the video?
In the morning.
Morning. Yes, very good Nadira. Oke, yang lain Miss minta dinyalakan kameranya ya. Okay, Nadira said there are the verb 1 and then the adverb of time used in the sentences. Adverb of time-nya tadi ada in the morning. Very good.
At, Miss.
Atau
At atau S.
At?
plus ing.
That's what I mean. Verb plus ing, ya. Verb 1 plus ing. Good, ya. Thank you for completing the answer, ya. Okay, next, Miss Desi will show you the real answer, ya. Okay, nah, this is what we are talking about. Ini yang kita pelajari hari ini. Namanya adalah past continuous tense. Ya. Kalau last meeting we learn about present continuous tense. So today we talk about past continuous tense. Okay, let's check ya. This is the real answer ya. The social functions of the past continuous tense, ya, there are three functions. Can you read? Bisa dibaca ini tulisan di PowerPoint-nya?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, okay. First one, ya, this is what you said. Ini yang tadi kamu jelaskan, kalian jelaskan ya. To talk about an action that was happening in the past. Yeah. For example, I was working yesterday morning. Ya, this is what Miss Desi asked to you in the beginning of our lesson. Ya, ini tadi yang Miss Desi yang Miss Desi tanyakan ke kalian. Kemarin di jam yang sama kalian lagi ngapain ya? Nah, itu kalian tadi menjelaskan. I was studying, Miss. I was learning, Miss. Nah, ini ya. Next, the second function is to talk about two actions. Ya, there are two actions that were happening at the same time. Ya, so at the same time there are two actions. Maka nanti dia juga pakai past continuous tense. For example, you were watching television while we were studying. Okay? Ya, you were watching television while we were studying. Ya, pada saat yang bersamaan kamu atau kalian lagi nonton TV, sedangkan kami sedang belajar. Ya, itu terjadinya di waktu yang sama, at the same time. Okay? And then you will need a conjunction here. Ya, kamu akan memerlukan sebuah kata penghubung di sini, while. Okay? Can you understand it? Sampai sini bisa dipahami? Okay, good. Next, I will continue. The third function is to talk about an action that was in progress and was interrupted by another one. Yeah, for example, Mary was talking when Joseph screamed. Do you know the meaning of scream?
Teriak.
Yeah, good, berteriak ya. Interrupted. Jadi tadi awalnya Mary was talking ya. Sedang berlangsung itu kejadian Mary was talking ya, entah dengan siapa. And then there is something interrupt her. Ada sesuatu yang interrupt, mengganggu ya, memberhentikan dia bicara, yaitu Joseph screamed. Ya. So when something is happening ya, when something was happening and then another action happened. Ya, the patterns ya, or the pola kalimatnya adalah, Haifa, can you stop writing on the screen? Okay, the pattern for positive sentence ya, it is like or same with present continuous tense. Bedanya di sini nanti ya, was and were ya. The subject, we have the subject here, and then we have was and were, and then verb 1 plus ing. Okay, do you remember what subject can we use for was?
I.
I? There is on your screen. I,
Si.
and
I was.
He and it, ya, for single, ya. Was is for single subject. Kebalikannya, on the contrary, were is for plural subjects. Okay. Next, for the negative form, ya, it is similar, almost similar with the positive form, but you can only add the word not after was. Ya, so will be the subject, was or were, and then not, and verb plus ing. And the last for interrogative or for the question, ya. Ya, this is different ya. Ini berbeda polanya dengan dua kalimat sebelumnya ya. We will put the was and the were in the beginning. Okay. Can you understand it?
Yeah.
Ya. Okay, before Miss Desi we continue, please repeat how to pronounce was and were. Ya, kadang sometimes you mispronounce. Kadang-kadang ada kesalahan baca, ini kalian bacanya were. Ya, padahal were itu artinya berbeda lagi ya. Okay, please repeat after me. Coba diulang ya, dinyalakan kameranya, and then please repeat. Was.
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 Okay, were.
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 Okay, thank you. So, do not say it were again, ya. Next. Okay. Yeah. The next activity, please open your book, page 61. Open your English textbook, page 61. On activity 13. Number 1, Vivi, can you change the word in the brackets? Bisa kamu ubah kata-kata yang di dalam kurungnya ini? Apa kira-kira menjadi apa? Ayo coba, ya Vivi, Nur Afia, please.
What were you doing?
Okay, thank you. Number 1 is what were you doing this time yesterday? Ya, you can also write the answer on your book. Ya, you can see on the screen. Thank you, Alfia. Nazwa Evril, can you please answer for number 2? Ya, Evril, silakan. Number 2, how blah 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 when the accident blah blah blah.
How were you riding?
How was your riding?
Then happened.
The accident happened.
Ada 2 suara di sini. How were you riding when the accident apa?
Happened.
Happen. Happen or was happen or happened?
Happen yang ada D-nya belakangnya.
Happen yang ada D-nya. Happened. Ya, okay, good. That's right. Your answer is correct. How were you riding when the accident happened? Yeah, good. Okay. You can copy the answer to your book. Yeah, because after this we will have a role playing. Next, I will ask one of you. Siapa di sini ya? Iza. Who is your partner, Iza?
Alia.
Alia. Okay, Iza and Alia, could you please act out the dialogue number 4? Ya, yes please.
Coba dulu. Coba dulu.
It's up to you.
Siapa yang pertama?
Aku dulu. I have not seen Ivan for
Aku ya.
age.
I have not either. When Allah saw him, he was trying to open an online shop.
Okay, thank you very much ya Alia and Iza ya. Okay, any questions so far? Ada yang mau ditanyakan dulu? Enggak ya? Oke, kalau tidak berarti sudah paham. Next, fill in the blanks with the past continuous form of the verbs given in the bracket. Mirip seperti yang tadi ya, tapi ini kalimat. Oke, oke. Can one of you ask? Ayo, siapa yang sudah dapat jawabannya? Nomor 1, silahkan langsung dijawab. Robin and his friends bla 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 around the campfire.
We're sitting.
We're sitting. We're sitting. Good. Next, number 2. The policeman blah 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 to catch the thief.
Was running.
Was running. Good. Ya, don't forget to add was or were. Ya, jangan cuma bilang running. Okay, very good. Number 3.
Was riding. Was riding.
Was riding. Okay. Nah, next, number 4.
They were hiding.
Yeah, good job. They were hiding behind the tree. What is the meaning of hiding?
Mengumpat.
Mengumpat? No.
Ngumpat. Bersembunyi, Miss, bersembunyi.
Bersembunyi, iya. Kalau ngumpet, iya benar. Kalau mengumpat nanti artinya ngatain gitu ya. Marah-marah gitu. Ntar beda jauh artinya. Next, the last, number 5. Pasha.
Was
Michelle was swimming in the river.
Pasha was swimming in the river. Okay. I think that's enough for the practice time, and then we move to the task. Yeah. We have 2 kind of tasks today. Your first task is in pairs. Please create a simple dialogue of asking and telling activities that were happening in the past. Okay. And then after that, please perform the dialogue. Send your voice note in our group, ya, just like some weeks ago. Seperti berapa minggu yang lalu kan kita pernah ya berdialog di grup seperti itu, oke? Can you understand it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. This is the first task, ya. Please do it after this. And then the second one. Ya, it is easy. Ya, please do the multiple choice questions about today's material on the Google form. Ya, Miss Desi will send the link of the question in our group, and then please do it. Ya, after you send your dialogue.
Okay.
Can you get it?
Yeah. Okay.
Any questions so far?
no.
No? Okay. Okay. The last, before we close the lesson, Alia, could you please retell what we have learned? What have we learned in this meeting?
About past continuous tense. And then
Continue
some
past tense.
dialogue.
About past continuous tense.
Continuous tense.
Okay. Anything else? Ada yang mau menambahkan? Okay, cukup. Then, Haifa, can you understand the material today?
Yes.
Yes. Do you have any difficulties, Haifa? No? No. Okay. Alhamdulillah ya. And then who else? Siapa ya? Salsa, which part of this lesson do you think interesting for you?
Percakapan.
Oh, about the dialogue in the video?
Iya.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Alright students, it's the end of our meeting today. Inshallah, next meeting we are going to discuss future continuous tense. So Miss Desi wants you to find as much information as you can about the future continuous tense. And then please write 10 verbs and find their past forms and their continuous forms.
The last, yeah. Thank you very much for your coming and for your participation. Yeah. If there is no question, let's close our lesson today by saying hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Okay. I'm really appreciate your coming today. Yeah. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time, students. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Thank you. You can leave the Zoom meeting now.